Hi, this is Sai Kishore D from Magneq Software. 30 days, 30 aptitude topics. Day 8. Today topic directions. In this topic, north, east, west, south. These four are main directions. North, east, northwest, southwest, southeast. These four are sub directions. North, east, west, south main directions. Northeast, northwest, southwest, southeast sub directions. Clockwise and anti-clockwise, clockwise and anti-clockwise, north, east, west, south directions. For example, first direction clockwise, north, next clockwise direction east, next south and west. Anti-clockwise, first one north, next anti-clockwise direction west, south and east. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Next, direction, turn right and turn left side. Turn right side and turn left side. For example, first one north direction. Person is moving to north direction, turn right side. So direction east. Person is moving to north direction, turn left side. So direction west. Next to east direction. Person is moving to east direction, turn right south. Turn left north. Next south direction. Person is moving to south direction, turn right west. Turn left east. And next to west. Person is moving to west direction, turn right north, turn left south. So these are important. Direction, turn right and turn left. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Kishore walked 5 kilometers towards east. Then he turned right and walked 6 kilometers. And turned left to walk 5 kilometers. He again turned left and walked 6 kilometers. At what distance is enough from starting point? We have to find out shortest distance. In this topic, distance means short distance. North, east, west, and south. So, given information, east 5 kilometers, turn right 6 kilometers, turn left 5 kilometers, again left 6 kilometers. First one by using diagram method. So, starting point A, east 5 kilometers, east 5 kilometers, A to B. From here to right side means down south. From B to C. From C to left again 5 kilometers. C to D. From here to left D to E means upside 6 kilometers. Starting point A, ending point E. Starting point A, ending point E. So shortest distance 5 plus 5 10 kilometers. And direction east direction. Direction east direction. Next one by using direction method. So east 5 kilometers from east to right south direction, from south to left east, from east to left north. So before that, small example, north 5 kilometers and north 5 kilometers. So starting point A, north means upside, A to B 5 kilometers, from B to C 5 kilometers. Total distance 5 plus 5 10 kilometers and north. Next north 5 kilometers, south 5 kilometers. From starting point A to B. A to B 5 kilometers. From B to C 5 kilometers. Starting point A, ending point C. 5 minus 5, 0 kilometers. Same direction, addition, opposite direction, subtraction. So from above data, east and east, south and north means south minus north, 6 minus 6, 0 kilometers, and east plus east, 5 plus 5, 10 kilometers. 5 plus 5, 10 kilometers, and direction east. First one by using diagram method, second one by using direction method. Raju walks 12 kilometers towards the south. From there, he walks 8 kilometers towards north. Then he walks 3 kilometers towards west. How far he is with reference to his starting point? So, south 12 kilometers, north 8 kilometers, and west 3 kilometers. By using direction method, south and north. South minus north because both are opposite directions. 12 minus 8, 4 kilometers, and high value south. So south 4 kilometers, and next west 3 kilometers. West 3 kilometers. So starting point A to B. A to B 4 kilometers from here to west. B to C. B to C 3 kilometers. So shortest distance between starting point A ending point C. By using Pythagoras theorem, 4 square plus 3 square, 16 plus 9, 25 means 5. C 5. So distance 5 kilometers. Distance 5 kilometers. And direction. Which direction? Starting point always midpoint to. So south west. South west. 5 kilometers south west. It is 3 o'clock in your watch. If the minute hand points towards the northeast, then the hour will point towards the. So, north, east, west, south. Subdirections are northeast, northwest, southwest, southeast. Given information clock 12 o'clock, 3, 6, and 9. 3 o'clock. So, minute hand, hour hand. Minute hand, hour hand. From data, if the minute hand points towards the northeast, minute hand points towards the northeast. So we have to find out our hand. So northeast and southeast 90 degrees. Northeast and southeast 90 degrees. From diagram also, minute hand and hour hand 90 degrees. Means this is southeast. Southeast. So like northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. So our hand points towards southeast. Why? Because northeast, southeast exactly 90 degrees, and diagram also means 3 o'clock means minute hand points towards 12, our hand points towards 3, 90 degrees. Minute hand northeast, so our hand southeast. A man is facing west, he turns 45 degrees in the clockwise direction and then another 180 degrees in the same direction and then 270 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. Which direction was facing now? So north, east, west and south, southeast, northeast, northwest, southwest. First one, a man is facing west. So first position west. He turns 45 degrees in clockwise direction. 45 degrees clockwise. So second position northwest. 45 degrees northwest. and then another 180 degrees in the same direction. 180 means straight line, northwest to southeast. So third position. From here to 270 degrees anti-clockwise. Southeast to northeast 90 degrees, northeast to northwest 90 degrees means 180. Northwest to southwest 180 plus 90 270. Fourth position southwest. Fourth position southwest. Which direction is facing now? Southwest. So answer southwest. First, first position west, 45 degrees clockwise. So northwest. Northwest to 180 degrees southeast. Southeast to 270 degrees anti-clockwise. So southwest. One morning after sunrise, Rahul and Abhi were standing in a park with their backs towards each other. Rahul's shadow fell exactly towards left hand side. In which direction was Abhi facing? We know in morning time, sun rises at east direction, shadow at shadow at west direction. Sun rises at east direction, shadow at west direction. North, east, west, and south. So given data, one morning after sunrise, Rahul and Abhi were standing in a park with their backs towards each other. For example, Rahul and Abhi. Their backs towards each other means faces in opposite direction. Faces in opposite direction. So Rahul shadow fell exactly towards left hand side. Rahul shadow. Rahul shadow fell towards the left hand side. So this is the position left hand. So in we know in morning time shadow falls at west direction. So west direction opposite to east direction. Opposite to east direction. So north and south. So generally north, east, west, south. From above diagram east, west. So north and south. North and south. What is the question? In which direction was Abhi facing? Abhi facing south direction. Abhi facing south direction. So general diagram north, east, west, south. From diagram east, south, west, north. So answer south. For more updates, follow our YouTube channel. Comment your answer. Venu is facing south, he turns 90 degrees in the clockwise direction and then another 180 degrees in the same direction and then 360 degrees in anti-clockwise direction. Which direction is he facing now?